That's the Chinese one. Give me 0. That's probably why the useful on that.
Did you all get it?
No.
He gave me 0. I got it. It's not like you.
Okay. So here's a function that I wrote. Final grade is the name I gave the function, and here are all the parameters that the function should get. EX1, EX2, EX3 for the 3 exercises, Q1, Q2 for the 2 quizzes, and final FT for the final test. Now I declare variables. EX average would be the calculation of the average of the 2 better exercises. And Q average would be the average of the 2 quizzes. EX average equals EX1 plus EX2 plus EX3 minus worksheet function of the minimum of these 3 divided by 2. Okay, so we get the sum of the 3 minus the lowest one. So we end up with the sum of the 2 better ones divided by 2 is the average of these 2. And Q average equals worksheet function average of Q1, Q2. Okay? Now, what do I need to do in order to finish up the function?
No, you need to say EX.
I need to use the name of the function inside the function and say this name, the function equals 0.15 times what?
Times
EX
average.
X average
Plus
plus
0.3
0.3 times
Q right?
Q plus
Free throw.
okay? This is the function. Now let's see if the function works. How do I run the function?
Right now.
I go to the worksheet. I go to a cell. Function. User defined. Final grade. Okay. Here are all of the parameters that I need to enter. Let's say 95 in the first exercise, 96 in the second exercise, and 80 in the third. So we need to take the 95 and the 96, do the average between them, right? Then, quiz 1, 65, 87, and the final test, 100. Okay? And the value is 92.125.
Why wouldn't you just make it into like just say whatever your function name is, final grade equals, and then just do the whole thing as one? Why do you want to make variables? Is that helpful for you? And you could have just done like
I could have just done, but then it would be much more harder to explain.
okay.
Like this, I break it up into different stages, and it's much more readable and much more much easier to explain. But you could.
Right.
If you have the whole picture in your mind and you can do it in one, you could.
And if you did tabs, I bet it would even be.
Questions about user-defined functions?
Yeah, so we didn't want the average of the quizzes and the average of the exercises to be part of the function, so that's why we use dim, Kilo.
No.
Yeah, but I did exactly what you did. I just put the what's it called, the average functions inside the function and not as the dim, and then it just wouldn't let me do it because all of a sudden I had two variables that I couldn't fill in. So you just put it to the
If you
dim.
want variables that are not connected to the parameters, you need to declare it. Okay? You don't
Gotcha.
have to have these. You could do final grade equals 0.15, open times, open over here the sublime, and do this whole thing in the sublime. Got it? So, questions? Okay. Take a few minutes. Finish up your function. See that it works. How do you see that it works? Use it in the worksheet. Okay? And questions? Yehuda Auerbach, Baruch, Yosef,
It's not clear if he's still here.
Yona,
No, he's not here too.
Moshe, Israel, Meir, Bizel.
Yeah.
Why do they call you Eli if your name is Meir?
Why do they call me Ellie? Why do they call me May?
Adam,
Huh? What?
Adam,
Oh, that's Avichai. He's not here right now. That's his actual name apparently. I took his
Ezra,
tattoo.
Drop that.
Meir,
They still have faith that he's still coming back.
He come from Felix.
Eitan,
And the one who passes.
No, it did not appear.
Chaim,
Here.
Binyamin,
Here.
Yitzchak,
Yeah.
Tzvi,
Yeah.
Yoshua, Noach, Michael,
Here.
Aryeh, Shlomo, Shmuel, Shmuel,
Shul Strook, no, he's not here.
Yaakov,
Everything else.
Like what? Yoshi.
People have to hear what you did or something. We talk about the example. Would you mind going back to your screen for a minute? We talk about the example.
yeah,
Nice. See, that would be,
I got 1.6 miles.
wow.
Like stopping off and looking at the golden gate.
That's pretty good. It's like better call solve. I want to stay behind myself. Don't hide it that. I did. You did it. Mine's pretty much.
okay.
Can you go back to your VBA?
Here's the VBA. Okay, questions about this?
No, it's
You got it? Works for you?
It keeps coming, the number that I'm getting is over 100.
Yes, so is mine.
Maybe what I guess is that you didn't put the parenthesis.
No, parentheses are there.
All of them?
Yeah.
Basically, you gotta put the emphasis on.
Do you have the names the same?
Yeah, make sure the names are the same. But that's,
That one, that three.
Still got it. Okay, got it.
okay. I just opened a Dropbox on Moodle for you to put material that you would like to be available for you in the test. Okay? You can put there any material. You'll have all the material that was available for you during the course, meaning the presentations will be there. You can put in your, all your exercises will be there because you uploaded them to Moodle. All of the word class would be there because you uploaded it to Moodle every time. You can add to this in the Dropbox I just added, whatever you want to add. So it will be available for you at in the test, and also you can bring in any written material. No discount key, no digital stuff other than what you put in the Moodle.
Can we make sure that we can put as many as we want? Because sometimes it only lets you put like one thing.
If there's a problem, contact me and I'll make sure. I'll just now go in there and see.
You said we could write notes and bring whatever notes we want in.
Just print out. Just nothing digital. Don't bring your phone or USB, anything.
Okay, I limited.
I need to upload all the notes onto this Dropbox.
I limited. Your limit is the highest, meaning 20 different files and up to 50 megabytes. Okay, that should be enough. There are examples of exercises. There's 2 parts to the exam. 6 shorter questions. Each one, I think, 12 points. And 2 longer questions. Not very long, just other kind of questions.
What day is the final?
What, 28? What day? Whatever.
The third.
July 3rd?
Wait,
Next Wednesday.
10 days.
1 second. One
What?
The time is running.
important thing you should realize. When I check the test, I go to the code and I look for parts of the code that are related to the question. Meaning, if you don't know how to solve the question, don't skip. Do your best, try. Even partial code will get points. Okay? So don't give up if it doesn't work. Don't give up if you don't know how to do the whole thing. Show me that you know even part of it. And everything that you write that is related, that is that I could give you a score on, I will. Okay? So that's very important.
Where do you want us to hold the class for
This is all about that.
Yeah.
Which one?
Where are we up to? Last number?
10.
What?
10.
10.
wait, we have, is it practice ones?
No, English. I don't hear, not that.
I'll ask you privately.
Any questions regarding the test?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's not switch the format because the training practice test you put up are different.
What?
The Q practice test you put up are in a different format.
Meaning?
We're wondering how
Okay, so I'll upload more relevant exam practice.
How do you recommend studying from that?
Go over all the material that we did and try to challenge yourself with
Everything that's going on. Done. Everything. As long as we go over everything.